Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today is Fun Card Friday, hosted by Creative Chica Halls and Crafts and KS Design, Tony and Kelly. So, I'm going to show the cards I made. They're my May birthday cards that I made for everyone. May is my birthday month, so I decided to use butterflies. And I did make the same style card that I made a couple of weeks ago, but when I was trying to think of what I wanted to do, I knew I wanted to make something with butterflies, and I just kept going back to that card design. So that's what I did. This is the set I used called Best Butterflies from Stampin' Up. And I used these two dies, these two butterfly dies to cut out butterflies. You'll see how cute they are. And I used the paper that came with this set. Look at the butterflies. And of course, there's all different kinds of paper in here. I think there's 48 sheets and all different kinds, as you will see, not just for butterflies. And I used this pearl, I think this comes from Dollar Tree, for the centers of the butterfly. It's a little bit of a pain to work with because you have to cut out all the pieces, and then I have to cut off all the threads on the edges of the little pearls. And the only good thing about it is it's easy to put it on straight because it's all connected. So let's see the cards I ended up making. And here we go. I made the bay window cards again, except I made them with different papers. So I think I have 4 subbies whose birthdays are in May. And every month I will check to make sure that people are still active on YouTube before I send out birthday cards. If they're no longer active, I just mark them as not active and I don't make a birthday card for them. And the inside of the card says, hope your day is fantabulistic, fabulous and fantastic all in one. Isn't that cute? And I put the smaller butterfly on the inside. I love these cards, and it's so easy to make. So easy to make. I did a tutorial on this. I'll put a link to it in the description below if you're interested in making these cards. But they're easy, easy, easy to do. Here's another one. They're all the same card, all the same on the inside. Just the papers are different on the outside. Cute. Cute. Now keep an eye, because I want to know which one is your favorite. Like I said, they're all the same. And then I'll tell you which one is my favorite. Aren't they cute? So I ended up making 7 of them. I have 4 active subscribers whose birthdays are in May, who had sent me an ATC card with their info. And that's all you have to do. Send me an ATC card and I will put you on my birthday card list and happily send you a birthday card. Aren't the colors pretty? I just love these papers. They're so pretty. So pretty, so pretty. And the last one. This was actually the first one I made. So it's a little bit different. The saying is a little different. And this birthday, I didn't like that as much, so I put a smaller one on there. So those are my 7 cards I made for this week's Fun Card Friday. So which one is your favorite? I'll show you mine. I have 2. I have 2 favorite ones. I have this one. I don't know, these darker colors just spoke to me. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. So this is one of my favorites. And then this is my other favorite. Total opposite, right? Much lighter. And when the person, I'm going to put a little note in there telling them how to fix this, because they probably get it like this, because it fits in an envelope. Let me see if I can show you. Once you fold it flat, it'll go right in the envelope for you with no problem. And that's it. But if the person doesn't know what this card is, which most may not, they won't know what to do with it. It'll be like, why is this all like this? So I'm going to put a little note to tell them to just put that in there, and it stands up like that. Alrighty, curious to see which one you like best, if any. Might not be your thing, but that's the beginning of May for me, my birthday month. Yay. All right, everyone, I'm wishing you a very good rest of your day. I have 1 or 2 more videos to make for today, so I'm going to be a busy little girl. Hope you have a wonderful, fantastic weekend. Saturday Mishmash tomorrow. And until then, love yous. Bye.